Wondering whether Learnworlds is a good platform for you to build your micro-learning lessons or school or academy on? Hey, it's Auret here from Essetino Media. And on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. I've designed and developed many different e-learning websites on Learnworlds, including micro-learning sites. And I'm going to share this experience with you and also give you a couple examples from client projects that I've done. Micro-learning involves delivering bite-sized content to your learners in the form of short videos. Typically, they're under 10 minutes each video, and that goes along with creating quizzes or interactive modules that you want to add into the class. Learnworlds is perfect for this kind of format, and it's actually my #1 choice that I tell the clients when they ask me what platform is best for me. I want to do micro-learning lessons, and here's why. Learnworlds offers the ability to create unique, interactive, and a social learning experience for your learners. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, I'll give you a couple of examples. Learnworlds has, and you might have already looked through some of their features, but they have a lot of gamification features. You can make your videos interactive. You can create assessments and quizzes. You can deliver certificates after the students have completed those lessons. It's all mobile friendly. So I'm not going to go on and on about the features because we have different videos for that on this channel, but let me give you a couple examples so you understand how Learnworlds applies to this micro-learning application. So #1, I had a client who creates leadership training on DEI topics, and she wanted to shop her separate lessons, micro-learning lessons, to bigger companies so their employees could take it. And specifically, so the employees can watch this on their lunch breaks. That was the whole intention behind her idea. So for her, two main things were really important. #1, she wanted it to be mobile friendly because these employees could be watching it from wherever, on their lunch break, wherever they're going to be. And what Learnworlds has is an app. You can actually custom brand this app to your school. So it has your logos and colors and everything. And so learners, all they need to do is just open up this app and they see all of your lessons or whatever they paid for in the app, and they can just learn it on the go. Another thing that was important was for whatever platform that she was going to use, for it to be Scorm compliant. And Scorm compliant just basically means that you're able to take all of your learning materials, your lessons, your courses, and easily transport them to another learning management system. Why might that be important? Well, because if you're shopping your courses to bigger companies, they might already have their own learning management system in place, and they'll just want to take that training and put it in their own systems so that their employees can have one place for this training. And Learnworlds is one of the few platforms out there, one of the few user-friendly platforms out there that is Scorm compliant and also has this cool app that you can create and make your micro-learning school mobile friendly. Another example, I had a client from Australia and she created safety training for construction companies and other companies in Australia that needed to have their employees take the safety training so that they can go out and work on the job site and they know the different hazards, they know what to do in case something happened. This is mandated training by the companies for their employees. So for her, what was important is for the employees to be able to receive a certificate so that they can then take that, saying that they've completed the training and show that to their managers. And also she was interested in this interactive feature with the videos. So when you upload a video into Learnworlds, you can make it interactive in different ways so that the person, when they click on something in the video reacts to the learner. And for this, it was important for her because, for example, she'd have a picture of the job site within the video, and learners were supposed to click on what hazards they see in that image, and it's just part of their training. So you might have something similar like that you'd like to create, but Learnworlds makes all of this easy. The certificates, the mobile friendly, the customization of your platform on the front end, and the ease of use on the back end. And even just, if you want to do something simple and upload ready-made micro-learning lessons that you already have ready to go, you can do that in the back end, upload it so that it's behind a paywall, and all you need to do is set up that front page so that people can see information about your micro-learning lessons or your academy. It's all automated so that they receive access right away to what they purchased. So to sum it up, yes, I believe Learnworlds is a great platform for this microlearning style. And if you need help setting up your platform, your school, your classes, feel free to reach out to me. I offer both consulting if you just want to ask me a couple questions based on your specific situation, and I am also able to design, develop your platform if you just want to hand off that work to someone else. I'll put a link down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.